In this video, we'll be making these delicious smoked paprika and chili tortilla chips. Homemade, slightly spicy, but super moreish. Okay, let's get to it. First thing we'll need are mini tortilla wraps, and I prefer to use corn tortilla wraps versus wheat tortilla wraps, and here's an example. So to cut your wraps, there are two methods. You can either cut each wrap into quarters. Alternatively, you can cut each wrap into 6 parts, and there's probably a number of ways to do this, but here is one way. And here I am showing you the difference in shape and size when the wraps are cut in 4 pieces versus 6 pieces, so you can decide which you prefer. Okay, time for a quick clean. While I'm doing that, you know what to do. Right, let's make the spice blend. First up, black pepper, then sea salt, followed by smoked paprika and cayenne pepper, and believe it or not, a little sugar. Give that a good mix, and here is a close-up of all the ingredients together. And when you're done using your spice blend for your tortilla chips, you can store that away in a jar and use it again another time. Okay, time to cook our chips. Add some oil to your pan or a deep fryer if you have one. Then once the oil is hot, add your uncooked chips. And you'll notice that your chips rise to the surface as they cook, but that's perfectly fine. Halfway through cooking, turn the chips in the oil so that all sides have a chance to cook and brown. And we're back. You'll notice that the chips are now all browned, they're crispy and they're cooked. So then remove from the pan or your fryer and drain on kitchen paper. Okay, then transfer your chips to a bowl, and while they're still warm, add your spice mix, as little or as liberally as you'd like. Then either toss the chips in the spice mix or swirl them around in the bowl to coat. You could probably do this a little gentler than I did, but yeah, there we go. For the alternative method of cooking your chips, you'll need an oven tray lined with greaseproof paper. I always like to fold that to size. Then simply lay your chips on the tray, spray both sides with some spray oil, cook in the oven, and once they're cooked, sprinkle with your spice mix. So there you have it, our homemade smoked paprika and chili tortilla chips. And you can either enjoy these with some guacamole or some salsa. And I can confirm that these are so good. So much better than shop bought chips. So do try them, and I'll see you in the next video.